In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Jira step by step. If you need to log into Jira to check your team's work, open a board, or review project progress, the good news is that the process is usually very straightforward once you know where to start. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to reach the correct Atlassian sign-in page, enter your account details safely, complete any extra verification, find the right Jira site, and make future access quicker. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Then go to the address bar at the top and enter the official Atlassian sign-in page, ida.atlassian.com, or your organization's Jira site address if you already have it. Press enter and wait for the page to load fully. Using the correct login page is important because it helps you avoid confusion and make sure you are signing in through the official Jira and Atlassian system. Once the sign in page appears, look for the field labeled email address. Enter your verified work email or the email connected to your Jira account. If your organization signs in through a service like Google, Microsoft, or Okta, choose that sign in option instead of typing a password right away. If not, click continue to move to the next screen. Next, enter your password carefully and submit it. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, which is very common for security, you'll be asked to complete one more verification step. Open your authentication app or use the requested verification method, then enter the current code and confirm it. This extra step helps protect your account and your team's project data. After you sign in successfully, you may land on the main Atlassian home screen. If your account is connected to more than one organization or workspace, take a moment to look through the available options and select the correct one. Then click Jira Software to enter the appropriate workspace. This is especially helpful if you work across multiple teams or departments. Once Jira opens, go to the top navigation bar and select Projects. Find the project you use most often, open it, and then click the star icon beside its name. Starring a project makes it much easier to return to it later without having to search through menus every time you sign in. Finally, do a quick check to make sure everything loaded properly and that you're in the right account. If this is a workspace you use regularly, bookmark the page in your browser so you can access it faster next time. On Windows, you can press Ctrl+D, and on Mac,